Welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today is Sunday and I'm super excited because tomorrow is bank holiday, so it's a long weekend here in the UK. You guys always ask what I eat in a day. I just woke up, I had my coffee, a black coffee, and now I'm gonna go for a run. Only because I bought new shoes. Half of my boyfriend bought the same ones. I want to try these shoes so bad, I'm gonna show you. Tá com fome, Olivia? Today I'm wearing Able. This is the training collection. Quite like to wear this collection to run because it has pockets. I can put my keys, my phone, and it has this really thick waistband so you don't have to pull it up all the time. Weather is lovely. So nice. Just came back from my run and it was absolutely lovely. The weather was so nice. It wasn't sunny, but like just warm weather and so beautiful. Now I'm starving because I normally don't eat before going to the gym, before working out. It's just like it doesn't work for me. I feel sick, like I don't like it. So now I'm gonna have my protein oats that I have pretty much every day. I'm gonna add some Biscoff spread and Biscoff biscuits on top. Lovely. So these are the porridge oats, the Scottish ones. I quite like these ones to make my porridge. I also have the jumbo oats, but these one I like better for my overnight oats because I think it's more, I don't know, I think it just works best. And add some oat milk. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Now I'm gonna give you the best tip for your protein oats to taste even better. Like, you know when you put your protein powder in the oats and then the protein just splits? So if you don't want to have that in your protein oats, you just need to let it sit for a few seconds, like 30 seconds, 1 minute. So it's gonna cool down a little bit, and then when you put your protein powder in here, it's not gonna split, it's not gonna make like these more balls. Today I'm gonna add COOKBOOK powders, protein, and the flavor vanilla. So creamy, frozen blueberries. So I just thought of sitting down here and talk about how I'm eating at the moment. Right now, I'm in a body recomposition journey. So body recomposition is the process of losing body fat and gaining muscle simultaneously at the same time. It is a slower process. It's not a quick fix, it's not easy, and it takes time and lots of patience. If you go through a cutting phase to lose all the body fat and do a bulking to gain muscle, normally this process is a little bit, let's say, faster than a body recomposition. But body recomposition, you can achieve the both things at the same time. If this process is slower and is harder, why am I doing this, you might ask? I've done cutting and I've done bulking, and at this time I don't want to go through a cutting phase where I have to be so restricted with my diet and then go to a bulking phase where I'm gonna gain a lot of muscle and also body fat along the muscle. So I'm doing this body recomposition phase. In terms of my macros and the strategy that I'm using to body recomp, I'm using a strategy called carb cycling. I have days where I eat lots of carbs and I have days that I eat fewer carbs. I don't have a strict number every day, so this number changes. Looking into a weekly goal, in the days that I go on a long run and I burn, I don't know, maybe 1,000 calories, so in that day I'm gonna eat more. So I'm gonna increase my carbs to make sure that I'm eating enough. And in the days that I don't have super intense workout, let's say on my upper body days or in the days that I'm resting, I'm gonna eat less carbs. And about protein and fat, I make sure that I'm eating enough protein, like every day. Protein is so important to keep your muscle mass, to build muscle, and to keep you satiated. And fats is so important for hormones and overall health. This is also great for me because I'm able to listen to my body cues. For example, in the days that I have a really intense workout or I have a long run, normally I feel hungrier, I'm gonna eat more. So I'm able to listen to my body cues and I'm able to respect my hunger levels. I've done cutting, I've done bulking, so do what is best for your body and for your goals, of course. I'm super hungry, so now we're gonna cook lunch. I'm gonna make one of the recipes that I have in my cookbook, a really creamy chicken pasta. So simple and so easy and macro friendly, like high in protein, good carbs. If you want to check my cookbook, I'm gonna put the link in the description box. I have 46 recipes in that cookbook, all with the nutritional information like calories, protein, carbs, fats. I also have a road chapter about food freedom and flexible dieting, diets that I follow that have no restriction at all. You can eat everything you want and still achieve your fitness goals. So you can check that chapter in my cookbook and then you can try all the recipes because they're so tasty. Washed my face, so now I'm gonna cleanse. I was behind the computer editing videos, doing my clients' workouts. Time just flew by, I didn't see it in passing. So now it's currently 9 o'clock. I was telling Rafa that we need to cook something for dinner. He was like, what do you think of ordering pizza? Because we didn't have a cheat meal this weekend. I don't like to say cheat meal because it's not a cheat meal. It's just like a meal that's more full of calories. As I always say, it's not one meal that's gonna make you fat and it's not one salad that's gonna make you thin. We normally order Papa John's. I love the pepperoni and he likes the works. I wasn't expecting this video to finish like that. Honestly, I'm quite happy that he thought about having pizza. Normally it's so, let's say, healthy all the time. Normally forget about these options. So craving pizza, you're allowed to have it and just bounce back to your normal routine as soon as possible. Prioritize whole foods, veggies, high protein meals like 80% of your time. Do enjoy your favorite foods and that like 20% left. That's the best approach to be healthy, to achieve your fitness goals, to lose weight and keep the weight loss, to build muscle and keep the muscle. Oh. Yeah, I knew it. finish the vlog yesterday. We bought 2 pizzas and I think I had, let's say, half pizza. Oh, so let's see. I have some leftovers here. Okay, so he's already got 2 slices for breakfast today, which is insane. I just cannot think of having pizza right now. From 2 pizzas, we had 7 slices left. Do your maths. I think I probably ate like 5 or 6 slices of pizza.